Let's get your Rogers Xfinity gateway back on track using the pinhole reset. First, locate the small recessed reset button, usually on the back or bottom of your gateway. It's important to note that while Rogers Xfinity gateway might sound like a specific product, you may have a Rogers Ignite gateway or a Comcast Xfinity gateway. The pinhole reset process is similar for both. Check your model. Some newer gateways don't have a visible reset button and require the pinhole method. Using a paperclip or pin, gently press and hold the reset button for 30 to 60 seconds. Make sure the gateway is powered on during this process. You'll likely see the lights on the gateway cycle, such as changing from solid white to flashing amber, indicating that the reset is in progress. Avoid unplugging the gateway during the reset to prevent any hardware damage. This process restores the gateway to its factory default settings, which means any custom Wi-Fi settings, passwords, and connected devices will be erased. After the reset, you'll need to reconfigure your Wi-Fi. Now that your gateway is reset, let's get your Wi-Fi back up and running. Connect a computer directly to the gateway using an Ethernet cable. Open a web browser and navigate to the gateway's admin panel. For Xfinity gateways, the IP address is typically 10.0.0.1, and for Rogers Ignite gateways, it's often 192.168.0.1. Log in using the default credentials, which are usually admin for the username and password for the password. This information may also be printed on the device itself. Once logged in, you can reconfigure your Wi-Fi settings. This includes setting a new SSID, your Wi-Fi network name, a strong, unique password, at least 12 characters with mixed case and symbols is recommended, and choosing a security protocol. WPA3 is recommended for enhanced security. You can also select a Wi-Fi channel. Using the 5 GHz band often provides faster speeds. Consider enabling a guest network for visitors and setting up parental controls for added security and control. Remember to wait a few minutes after saving your new settings for them to take effect.